Do you understand that everything you put on social media does not even get seen by everybody who's one of your friends? Do you understand that? So you cannot just market yourself using social media. I tell people all the time, when it comes to marketing yourself, do not underestimate the power of a cup of coffee. Do not underestimate the power of inviting someone for coffee, because people usually do not have time for lunch. They're so busy, but they do have time for a cup of coffee. The other thing is this: most of the people that you are calling on to get work from, if it's a production company for a television commercial, or it's a photographer because you want to test with them, or you want to get real jobs from them, they are freelancers just like you. How many people feel isolated by being freelancers? How many people feel like there's a point where you're just tired of doing this all by yourself, and it would be great to be around some other people? There are lots of photographers you can call up and say, hey dude, I'd love to get together with you. Have a cup of coffee, let's kick some ideas around about what we can do. And they'll go and have a cup of coffee with you, or call them up and say, listen, I'm in the neighborhood. I don't care if you're 40 miles away. Say you're in the neighborhood. Listen, I'm in the neighborhood. Because a neighborhood is relative. For some people, a neighborhood is 5 miles. For other people, a neighborhood is 50 miles. I'm in the neighborhood, and I'm, just coming from an appointment showing my portfolio. I was wondering if I could come by and bring you my portfolio and we could take a look at it. Oh yeah, that would be okay. Listen, I'm going to stop by Starbucks. Can I get you something? Make it about them, not about you.